Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. The Bitcoin price keeps dipping, and unfortunately, there's no good news for the bulls today. Since last Friday, I've adjusted the hypothetical 10% and 30% dip rectangles to align with the recent local top of $99,600 to see if any key levels coincide with any important support and resistance levels from way below. Let's quickly recap the current situation. In just 2 days, Bitcoin has dropped $8,100 per coin, or 8.24%. A 10% dip would bring us to $89,800, a level where Bitcoin consolidated from the 12th to the 18th of November, before breaking out into the 90s on the 19th. A 30% dip, which I find highly unlikely, would align with the lower boundary of our yellow channel, a range we've held since the top of March 2024. While a 10% dip seems reasonable to me, only time will tell. Looking at the liquidation heat map, we still see some long liquidity around the 90,400 level on the 12-hour view. Interestingly, this coincides with the 10% dip target of 89.8K. On the 1-week heat map though, it's a different story. Massive short liquidity is stacked near 100K. Whales have been dominating. First they shorted aggressively, and now they've sold off. And what about the ETF investors? They've been selling since yesterday. Only BlackRock and their clients are still buying, adding $267 million in Bitcoin. On the other hand, Bitwise sold $280 million, Fidelity sold $134 million, and overall outflows of yesterday totaled a staggering $435 million. Let's hope we've reached the bottom, can range and jump back into the higher 90s again very soon. I'm still sitting in my low leverage long position and waiting it out. Join my Discord for real-time updates on my trading thoughts and positions. And if you want to stay ahead of the market, click subscribe and activate the notification bell. It's the best way to ensure you don't miss any of my daily insights. And see you in the next one.